I'll build up. Never is back and keep flaming. No rack keeps flaming. No rack.
Ooh, it's raining like that?
Yep.
My freaking hand is itchy. Come on. Should have kept it on. I'm gonna turn it off.
Okay.
Shoot. Two babies are making pumpkin pie cake or something.
I would think this metal was really cool and everything about it. It just terrified me on my core.
Move your phone.
I actually see the guy that I was about it right now. But it smells so good though. It smells so good.
What? Yeah, it feels gooky.
Gross.
And we're gonna make the seeds too. Make some pumpkin seeds. This is how far they got now. He's cutting the pieces up.
Hey, look, Mom.
Thank you.
I'm trying to think if I should cut this way.
I wanted to see you.
Put it in the oven.
Cisco
350
said that
degrees.
he saw you at
45
the
minutes.
Flash Day celebration.
Want to see?
I was surprised.
Take a fork. It should be tender, and this should peel right off.
I wasn't the hero that day. Of course you were. Kid Ronnie died saving me, and
Mom,
I should have
he
saved
said
him.
pause it.
Oh, well.
So things are going to get worse. We're all supposed to just fall in.
I don't think they all gonna fit in straight.
Sometimes you have a choice. You keep going. You will shit. Walking Dead season premiere.
Yoo-hoo!
The Domino's we're known for delivery, but we want to be great at carry out too. That's why we're offering a deal that will get a lot of people in the door and help us become carry out experts. Put your store to the test and carry out large retail pizzas for $7.99 each every Monday through Thursday. Nice mom out there. You got a lot to learn. I see great things in our future. Friends, call me Sully. Nathan Drake. Rated G for tea.
If those were to be cookies, I would like shove that in my mouth.
Handcrafted, layer by layer. The new macchiato from Dunkin' Donuts. Experience the flavor of fall with a new hot and iced pumpkin macchiato. America runs on Dunkin'.
This Columbus Day, you can discover great deals on a Toyota. And Columbus Day, the Toyota Columbus Day sales
do
event
have
is going
how
on
many?
now. With great savings on sporty SUVs, stylish minivans, and dependable
I know this
trucks,
cat better
you'll
stop
be exploring new
kicking me.
Now's the time to save big on RAV4. Lease a new 2015 RAV4 for just $199 a month and get an additional $750 Columbus Day lease bonus cash. Hurry in. This event ends on October 13th.
It all starts at Toyota.
Just put this in the oven
Let's go places.
for 45 minutes at 350 degrees.
You hear that thunder?
Just be careful not to burn yourself because I can down a lot of times.
So after you get all the seeds separated from the guts, rinse it out. After you separate it from all of this, you gotta soak it in cold salt water for 8 to 48 hours because it's enzymes. Right now, the seeds and just roast them and eat them like that, it's gonna upset your stomach. So the salt water neutralizes the enzymes. Then you'll be able to eat them, then roast them, then eat them. So the minimum is 8 hours and the maximum is 48 hours. So you're probably gonna soak it for like 12, 16 hours, something like that. Overnight basically. Until you're ready to make the actual pumpkin pie. While we're waiting on the pumpkin pie, we can season them and eat them then. So that little snack
It look like guts.
It is guts.
Yeah.
Pumpkin guts.
That's disgusting.
Feel that. I'm done with this. Speak to your fingers. Oh, that one broke.
Ew, Mama, stop.
No. It smells good, but
Okay, got runner solo here. She abandoned me. Okay, I just took these out the oven. They was in there 45 minutes. When you take them out, they should be tender when you poke them with a fork. Get a good one here.
oh,
See, the skin should be flaky. You can just peel it off
can you
like that. Peel the skin off.
eat it?
Throw that away. Just like that. I don't know if you can see it. Camera work is bad. Just peel that off like that. And you're gonna take this and you just pop it in the blender.
Can I put it in the blender?
Hot
Chris?
layer. So that steam coming off of it?
Yeah.
It's hot. So when you peel it off, move. Hot layer.
I know.
Can't do this right now. Peel a lot of the skin off of. Put that in there. And then you're gonna pulse till it's all nice and smooth. If it's dry, you add a couple tablespoons of water. If it is watery, you can strain it like a wire strainer. Use the strainer.
I didn't know
You can use one of these and strain. If it's too watery, strain all of the water out of it. And then if you're ready to use it then you can use it. If not, you can put it in freezer bags and put it in the freezer. Just make sure you squeeze all of the air out of it when you do that. And whenever you're ready to use it, you can use it. So, that's about it. Let's just see it. So take it, put it in here, peel the skin off of it. I'll get another one. And take it and just peel it.
You can use.
Like that. Peel all the skin off of
You
it.
can use a potato peeler, right?
And that's about it.